Therefore, I say to you, whatever you desire when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you shall have them. Mark chapter 11, verse 24.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Bisha Blue. Welcome. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that post notification bell so you guys know when I have new videos up. So today I'm going to be filming another hair tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this quick weave hairstyle. So if you guys like to see how I got this look, then continue watching this video. Hey girls, so we're just gonna jump straight into it, and for this video I'm gonna be using 2 bundles of 10 inches body wave, this firm hold spritz, a bottle of hair glue, and this wig cap. So for this hairstyle I'm going to be doing a side part, and I'm gonna start off by parting my hair on the side where I like it to fall. So after I part my hair to exactly how I want it, I'm going to go ahead and section out a square. So now that I section off the front of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and start parting out my first leave out. And I'm literally just taking out a small amount of my hair for the leave out. So now I'm going to go ahead and braid it out of the way. So now it should be looking like this. And now I'm going to go ahead and part out my second leave out. And now this is what that's looking like. So now I'm braiding a small braid from my leave out to around my hairline. And I know it sounds so confusing, but you'll see what I mean when it's done. Guys, I am so sorry about the lighting. It is so bad, but I'm still trying to find a perfect place to film around my house. Okay, so this is what it should be looking like. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And as you can see, my parting is very small. That way it will be nice and flat. And voila, this is what it should be looking like. So now I'm gonna braid the rest of my hair down off camera and come back. Alright guys, so now I'm going to put the wig cap on my head and then I'm going to sew it down onto the braids that I braided around my head. And you want to make sure that you do not sew onto the braids of the leave out, because then it would be just a hot mess. I know this part seems a little bit more time consuming and difficult, but this is how I like to put my caps on, because I don't like to use too much products on my hair, because my head can get really itchy very fast. So as you can see, I finished sewing the cap down, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the extra stuff off. And keep in mind as you're cutting it, try not to get too close, because then you'll make a hole like that. Alright guys, so now it's time to apply the hair, and I already measured and cut it to my head, and now I'm just gonna go in with some hair glue on the track, and then I'm gonna spray some spritz on it as well for an extra hold. So now it's time to apply the hair, and I'm just gonna rub my fingers along the track just to make sure it sticks. And I'm just gonna repeat the same steps as I go. So this is what the back should be looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera and come back when I'm at the top. Okay, so now I'm at the top, and I just wanted to show you guys the pattern that I'm gluing the hair in. And I just want to mention that as I am applying the hair, I'm also stretching it along the way. And I'm just gonna continue this pattern until I reach the top. Okay, so we are done, and this is what it's looking like. So now I'm just taking out my leave out so I can flat iron it. And I'm gonna go in with my argan oil of Moroccan. And now I'm going in with my flat iron. So after flat iron my leave out, I'm just gonna go in with this wax stick by Evan, and I'm just gonna apply it around my leave out area just so I can mold it into place. And I'm gonna go ahead and melt that in with my hot comb. So now everything is looking nice and flat and in place. So now I'm just taking out my first section at the back of my hair so I can put in some curls. So today I'm using my small flat iron. You can even use a curling wand if you like, and I'm just curling it under. Alright, so we are done curling and I feel like a pinup girl. Alright, so now I'm about to get into these edges and I'm going to be using my True Edge controller. I'm also going to use my Got2b spray to go in on the side of my head because I don't want that area to be too sticky. So now I'm going to spray my hair down with my argan oil and we're done. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look and I think it looks cute or whatever. I do think the curls are a little bit too tight right now, but once it loosened up a bit, it looks so much better to me. Anyways guys, comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm out. Bye.